A sequence in which you add the terms is called a series. And sometimes it's called a summation. So normally in a sequence we just list out the terms, but a series you list them out and then you add them up. So S1 is notation for the sum, or sometimes it's called the partial sum, of the first term, which would really just be the first term. S2 represents the sum of the first two terms. So you would add up the first two terms. Sn represents the sum of the first n terms. So you could let n be anything and you have to sum up that many terms. So it says find the missing terms in the sequence, then find the sums S2 and S7. So it looks like the pattern here is that each number is 4 bigger. So it'll be 23, 27, and 31. And then for S2, they want you to add up the first two terms in this series. So 3 plus 7, and that's going to equal 10. S7 wants you to add up the first 7 terms in this series. So that would be 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23 plus 27, and that's going to get you 105. So they could ask you other sums. They could ask you like S3, which would be the first 3. They could ask you S5, which would be the first 5 terms. But on these questions, they're just asking for S2 and S7. On question number 2, it looks like the pattern is that you're adding one more to each denominator. So it'll be 1 over 6, 1 over 7, and 1 over 8. And then S2 wants you to add up the first 2 terms of the sequence. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, which is 5 over 6. And then S7 is the first 7. So S7 is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 all the way up to 1 over 8. And if you add these up on your calculator and then convert to a fraction, you should get 481 over 280.